Best greetings from Ankara, the capital of Turkish Republic. My name is Beekeeper and this is the channel Beekeeper, Entomologist, Beekeeper Ukraine. And today, July 23rd, 2016, and I'm in the center of Ankara in the medovy park in the region of Hymenoptera. This is pretty center, actually precisely from the center. This is about 3 kilometers because the center, this is Kizilay. Kizilay, the most of the center, but this is just a region around. And today I'm sitting here just near this nice fountain, which is pretty nice. This is colorful fountain, but this is already time of a sunset, so that's why it's going to be dark. And I'm just trying to catch this light time and tell you a few words about this time in Ankara. And I was thinking, what is the subject to tell? I will tell you about subject English language. English language, why? Because now I'm here already 11 months in Ankara, and I'm thinking about my friends who are living still in Ukraine. Yes, I'm thinking and I'm worrying and I'm really afraid about the situation when I'm going back, because in Ukraine the situation is still the same as 1 year ago, and I'm thinking about people who are able and who are speaking English. And first of all, I'm thinking about my friends Toastmasters, because we have interesting community in Ukraine. Toastmasters Ukraine, this is community of English-speaking Ukrainian citizens, or just also some other people who came to Ukraine who are interested to come and speak English in English-speaking clubs. These people are speaking English, and this is my interesting appeal, this is my story about people who are speaking English, because here I'm speaking English, not Turkish. Yes, it's pretty strange, you say. Yes, of course, but nevertheless, English language, this is a special key. As here people say anahtar. Yes, anahtar, which is opening communication between people. Even here in Turkish Republic, people speaking English, and this is anahtar for communication. And if you are Ukrainian citizen and you are able to speak English, just to use this opportunity, yes, this is a really unique opportunity. This is your anahtar, your key, which can be useful to go to the world. Not be sitting like lazy. Who is lazy in Ukraine? I don't know, lazy man or woman or girl. You are just really lazy if you are sitting on your chair on your sofa and waiting that something coming to you to Ukraine and save you and Ukraine. In this time you can save only yourself. And the key, this is English language. Why? Because now the world is going to be open. Now this is a globalization. Don't forget about it. In any country you can be accepted if you speak English. Yes, right. If you speak in different language, German, French, Turkish, Portuguese, French, you are welcome in this country. But if you are speaking English language, with this anahtar you can go to another country, not only like a tourist. You're thinking you can go to Turkish Republic like tourists. Yes, you are welcome. But if you know English, you are welcome to Turkish Republic. If you know English, you are welcome anywhere just in the world. You can go even to west, to east, to south, or to the north from Ukraine. And you can find somewhere your fortune if you are speaking English language. If you are speaking French or German, Turkish or Portuguese or any other language, you can be like polyglot, by the way. More languages you speak, more you can understand in other country. Of course, if you're already not 20, if you're your age over 20, you have less opportunities to learn a language because you have less time. But if you are 20, if you are 25, 26, okay, you have opportunity to learn not only English, but you have opportunity to learn another language as well. And go to this country, study this country, and maybe this country will be very useful for you, not only in money, but also in your fortune. Because you are young, you are 20, you are 26, 27, or maybe older. Nevertheless, you can search for your opportunity, for your place in your world, in the place for your study, in the place for your fortune, for your family, or maybe the place where you built your house and where you live for the rest of your life. Why not? So that's a short story about house for your life. Thinking where your house, where your family, and how to save your house and your family. And good luck and best greetings from Turkish Republic, best greetings from Ankara. This was Viktor Fursov on the channel Viktor Fursov, entomologist, beekeeper Ukraine. Best greetings from Ankara. Bye bye.